Okay, so Aesculap, Student Scientific Community. Do you know who is Aesculap? It's a from mythology. It's a god of medicine, god of health. That's why.
Yeah, I just
Aesculap.
hear the name, but
And that's my CV. So this part explains my scientific experience. This part explains my entrepreneurial experience.
right.
Yeah. So I also graduated from Kaznu chemistry department. Then I get my master degree in Great Britain
Yeah.
in chemistry, polymer chemistry.
Yeah.
Then I had many scholarship internships. Yeah, in Germany, France, USA, UK, Nepal, but at 2015 I left the university, Nazarbayev University, because I was not satisfied with the level of bureaucracy, and started to my own startups. I failed many times for different reasons. And in 2021, I started the current company, which is AFS, so Food Supplements Manufacturing Company. Food manufacturing company. We manufacture food supplements. Yeah. So we make food supplements from raw materials.
Right.
We buy raw materials, we mix them, and then put them into the soluble capsules.
Yeah.
This is what my current company does.
Okay. Very good.
And reasons to join Aesculap is I think basically there is one reason.
Yeah.
If we assume that you will study only 6 years,
Yes.
Assumption, you have 6 years of dedicated learning period.
Yeah.
And the rest of your life to work.
Yeah, of course.
So you should try to educate yourself as much as possible during those 6 years. Yeah. Because rest of the life you will be able to educate yourself, but it will be more difficult when you will have work, wife, children, loans, mortgage, car, house. It will be much more difficult to educate yourself to learn new things.
Yeah.
You will have less time and less energy, at least.
Yeah.
And less health. So that's the main reason why it makes sense to join a school up during your studenthood. The main reason, the main value of this is development of soft and hard skills. Hard skills are something you can learn during a defined time period. You can attend courses. For example, you don't know Chinese? Okay, you attend Chinese half a year, 1 year, 2 year, and you speak Chinese.
Yeah.
You don't know, I don't know, Excel? You attend courses, and after 1 month, you know Excel.
Yes.
Hard skills are relatively easy to gain.
Yeah.
But soft skills, they're more difficult in terms of gaining them. For example, critical thinking skill.
Yeah.
Can you attend any courses where you will be taught critical thinking? You cannot say, okay, I attend those courses, and after 3 months I will have a good critical skills at level C1. No. Critical thinking is something you should gain. The learning course of critical thinking is called life.
Yeah.
Yeah. And all other skills are gained during the life.
Yeah.
The more active is your life, the more skills you are learning.
Yes.
Communication skills you can learn only by communicating.
Yeah.
A problem solving skill you can gain only during the solving the problems.
Yeah.
And so on. And Aesculap can provide you environment and projects where you can develop your both hard and soft skills.
Soft.
Yeah. And of course, you need some documents, some papers proving that you have this experience. For example, for your CV,
Yes.
you can have appreciation letters or diploma certificates that you participated in this project, you helped with this project, volunteered here, and so on.
Yeah.
So those documents are not the ultimate goal, but
Yeah.
it's a good proof that you have this or that soft skill.
Yeah.
Because when you just say, I have organizational skill, it sounds okay, but how you can prove it?
Yeah.
But when you say, I have organizational skills and here are certificates prove that I helped with this event, and this event, okay, they say, okay, at least he organized the process of receiving this paper.
Seriously.
Yeah. So diplomas and certificates for your CV, but diplomas are just result of gaining real skills. Yeah. Paid job, paid projects. There is very high probability that we will have projects from where we can pay to all participants. This is, for example, how Kamran started. Almost 1 year, he was just helping me and gaining hard and soft skills. But then, very sustainable project appeared. He helped me with that and still helps me with that.
Yeah.
And he has monthly income from it.
Oh, great.
Yeah, he used to have 2 projects.
Yeah.
And monthly income from 2 projects.
Yeah.
So it will happen.
Yeah.
But I cannot say when, because I cannot say when projects will appear. Yes. And come to me. So, for example, this weekend I'm meeting with one person, and maybe I will have a new project, which is easy for me to organize. Yeah. But I don't want and I cannot implement this project alone. I need a team, so you can join. And professional connections, of course. Yeah. Both in entrepreneurship and in science. Just because I am in those 2 environments, scientific and entrepreneurial. Projects, namely, I can suggest to you. Purely scientific project, Bioplast. I think it's too early to propose it now, but it is about metallic implant covered with material polymer, which gradually releases antibiotics. So when it is in your body, it releases biotic locally. That's my PhD work. Yeah, this is my PhD topic. Yeah. AFS, akıllı food supplements. Akıllı means smart. Smart. In Kazakh language. That's my current company, and we do have R&D work, research and development. For example, when we are researching and developing new product, new food supplement. Yes. Or when we are trying to develop new product from the scratch, and so on. Green Lab is a project in a QSTEM company of my friend. This company provides additional educational courses for high school students. So after their lessons, they have additional lessons. Yes. Robotics, programming, and Green Lab, which includes everything natural science. Yeah. Physics, math, chemistry, biology, ecology. Yeah. Agro innovation. You can participate here The project is about you can volunteer only. About restoring the fertility of the soil by using the enzymes excreted from microorganisms. Yeah, sounds maybe complicated, but it's not rocket science. You just use bioreactor, feed your microorganisms, then filter them out from the filter microorganisms from the liquid, and this liquid contains what you need. Yeah. And 3D printing, it was initiative of Diaz, and we have 3D printer. If you wish, you can work with the 3D printing. It's not a project, but it's just opportunity.
Okay.
Yeah. So that slide I will explain briefly. That's an implant. We have a drug-containing polymer. We put it on the surface, and when this implant goes inside your body, you will have installed antibiotic course. So you will receive antibiotics from your implant, not from pills, not from injection. It can be tailored. You can control how long that release will happen. Food supplements I explained already. Some facts about this company. Of course, we have all certificates: halal, HACCP, ISO, quality certificate, and so on. And the Green Lab, additional educational courses, including all those subjects: ecology, chemistry, physics, biology, and it's project based because it is important to make students understand how they can apply those knowledges. Do you say that? How you can apply this knowledge? They should not question the usefulness of the knowledge. If you teach them solubility, you should explain how this solubility is utilized in real life. For example, extraction, where you should understand what is solubility. Because when you extract something from something, you use the fact it is dissolves. For example, when we make a tea, actually it's a hot solvent extraction. You put dry tea leaves into hot water and extract the content from the tea leaves. This is extraction. Yeah. And you can extract many things. And this is how we teach this stuff, through projects, through real life cases. Real life cases. Yeah. Real life cases.
Great.
Yeah, this is a picture of my bioreactor. It's not actually mine. I'm renting it, but while I'm renting, it's mine. So you feed microorganisms, and then you use liquid without organisms to restore fertility of the soil. So you get two good results. It's good for ecology, and it's good to increase your yield. So you have more products, more yield from this land. And it's like microbiome of your gut. We cannot digest food without help of microorganisms inside us. Same with plants. They cannot normally exist without some symbiotic microorganisms in the soil. So make microorganisms in the soil prosper, and then your plant will feel better. And please be honest, just you and to yourself. Do you really need it? And you have free time. Maybe you don't have that much free time. Are you really ready to invest this free time to this kind of projects? Because your free time is very precious.
Yeah.
And are you sure that you want to spend this free time to Esculap? Uh, do you think it may make sense to spend this time to Esculap? And expectations.
Yeah.
You should not expect quick results. You should not expect quick money, and nobody cares
Yeah.
about your participation in Esculap.
Yeah.
No one will increase your GPA.
Yeah.
No one will appreciate you. Only you need this.
Yeah.
So you should not expect that university will say, "Oh, you're a good student because you're in a Esculap team. Oh, we should give you a dormitory because you're in Esculap team." No,
Yeah.
nobody cares.
Yeah.
So don't think that someone needs you in the Esculap.
Yeah.
Only you need it.
Yes.
Oh, you should decide. Do you really need it?
It is for self-development, just.
Yeah, that's it. This is what I want to say. Thank you.